Let's have a quick look at this wireless indoor-outdoor thermometer from Givon, which has a large display. You can easily switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, and you may notice that the indoor and the outdoor temperature are the same, and that's because I'm recording this outside on my picnic table. You know how most thermometers just tell you how hot it is outside? Well, I found a hidden feature in this one. I actually picked this up to replace an old unit that relied on the atomic clock signal from Denver to set the clock. Where I live, the signal seemed to be intermittent, so the clock on it was always wrong. This one is manual, but super easy to set. I keep it on my desk and use it primarily as a clock since it also includes a calendar. And by the way, if you keep it by your bed, you can use it as an alarm clock with a snooze button, and that feature was a surprise to me. But it doesn't just tell time, it has rising and falling trend indicators, so you know which way the weather is heading. Plus, it tracks the 24-hour highs and lows for humidity and temperature. The wireless range is impressive at 200 feet. It comes with one sensor, but supports up to 3 in case you want to use it in your greenhouse or something. Simple, accurate, large display, and looks good on the shelf? I have no problem recommending this. Thanks for watching.